Ever wondered how a particular door would look on your home? With our new augmented reality AR feature, it couldn't be easier. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Browse our Composite Collection brochure and select one of the 12 lifestyle doors featured. Point your smartphone camera at the QR code next to your chosen door. Scan and click to open. Follow the simple on-screen instructions. As the door appears, scale it using your fingers to get the perfect fit. Love what you see? Snap a photo and save the look of your newly visualised door on your home. Our new AR feature is not only user-friendly, but also a fantastic way to explore the possibilities and bring your dream door to life. For a personalised quote, speak to your installer. Details can be found at hurstdoors.co.uk.